808dragon.com, and yes, I had to open up this thing and see what's going on inside of it. This is not helping. It's pretty simple how to use it. Just add water, plug it in, press the button. And yes, it has been over 24 hours since it's been upright. 70% left on the jack. Ooh. So she's plugged in, and power light just does that. Just blinks on and off. Water's below the max fill line, just a little. Perfect. Put this back. So you press power, and this does this. Normal so far. Alright. She starts filling up with water. Alright. And then she starts overflowing over here. Like, what's going on here? Why is it overflowing? That's fine, I guess. Is that normal? And then it does that. And as you can see, the little light just does that little blinking thing again. And no ice. No ice. So I press the power button. This little pump over here. And these little thing over here. And we do have water pumping. Obviously it's making it up to the top. And this thing, right after it's done making all that water noise, it just does that. So we're gonna see if this lights up when it does that. Because this fan turns on for a brief second. So the moment when the fan turns on, okay, she flashed, which indicates that this compressor is not working properly. Now, if you look closely, there is some weird damage right there that I couldn't possibly have done. And also over here, there's this nasty little dent on the compressor. So Lord knows what the hell is wrong with this thing. There's a big fat dent there. There's a nasty little thing that happened there, apparently. Well, lucky I have the box. I guess it's going to go back to Walmart.